Pete here from 10 Spot Tools. We've recently been developing a bunch of new inserts for the M18 IPSP pivoting press ring kit. So we're here to show you those today. The first couple we have hold the entire kit, and then we also have a couple of different inserts that split the kit up, and we'll show you those next. So first up, we have our drawer insert here. You can see it here in a 4-drawer. This holds the entire pivoting press ring kit with both of the actuators. So this fits in the 4-drawer, the 3-drawer, the 2-drawer, the multi-depth 3-drawer. It'll fit in any Packout drawer. We have a selection of different handles. So if you're putting it in one of the shallow drawers, that's going to be your 4-drawer or the top 2 drawers of the multi-depth 3-drawer. We have this handle for it. We have this if you're putting it in one of the deeper drawers. That would be for the regular 3-drawer or the 2-drawer or the bottom drawer. In the multi-depth 3-drawer, you can use this handle. This setup is really great for using in the multi-depth 3-drawer, in my opinion, because we have a few different kits that will fit in the shallower drawer for a variety of jaws and rings. And then in the deeper drawer at the bottom, you could put the M18 Pro Press itself. So this is what we have going on for the Packout drawers. Over here, you can see one of the Toolbox inserts that we have for the pivoting press rings. In here, the rings insert diagonally, just like this, which makes them, oh, that one actually goes there, makes them very easy to pull right out. They all sit diagonally, so nothing will get in the way of anything else. This is what we call a Toolbox Sidewinder insert, and this is our first Sidewinder Toolbox insert. This could come out from here and flip around and sit on the other side. So it is ambidextrous, if you want to think of it that way. And we're going to be coming out with other inserts that will be able to fit here to hold your M18 Pro Press or other jaw kits like this. The other Toolbox insert we have, you can see right here, this one goes side to side. This one goes top to bottom instead of side to side. And you can see it sits in just like that. And it has this similar kind of diagonal style where everything inserts in diagonally. So it's very easy to remove without any of the other jaws getting in the way of it. For this, we also make toolbox latches that say M18 press rings. And the one we have on here right now says M18 Pro Press because you're probably going to have your Pro Press with your press rings. And these are the other 2 inserts that we make for the M18 pivoting press ring kit. These 2 inserts separated into 2 separate boxes. This entire kit put together weighs like 50 pounds. So if you're going to put it in, a small toolbox with something else, you're going to need a real heavy small toolbox. So we thought it would be a good idea to separate these into smaller kits to make things a little bit lighter, easier to carry. So over here, we have our kit for the 5-compartment organizer box. This holds the bigger part of the set with the larger actuator. So this is the X5 actuator. Underneath it, we have our 2-inch press ring. Right here, we have our 1.5-inch press ring. And underneath that, we have our 1.25-inch press ring. So this is the entire bigger part of the kit with the actuator you need to use it, all in a 5-compartment organizer. And once again, we do make latches for these that say M18 press rings. Over here, we have the smaller part of the kit. This fits in a low-profile box. You have your X4 ring jaw, and then all of your smaller rings. This is the 1/2-inch, the 3/4, and the 1-inch ring. And you still got plenty of room left down here for whatever accessories you want to keep, a marking gauge, a marker, with your press rings. So this is our X4 LP kit, and this is our X5 kit. And that's everything we have for the new M18 Pro Press ring kit. Get yours this week at 10spottools.com.